Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Wendy Antonucci here, and today I am using the Cocoa Daisy June kit. When I start my layouts, I always begin with a photo block, which is what you see here. I have the photos that I am telling my story about. I have a title, and I have a 3x4 Project Life card. From that point, this is what I'm talking about. This is the main focus of my page. And now I'm going to decorate the page. To decorate, I am using the crate paper. It came in the Cocoa Daisy classified kit, memory keeping kit. And I am using just some of the ephemera that was included to decorate this page. I'm adding in some color with those tags, the greenish turquoise color. And I'm looking at the edges here with that pink piece I just put on. As you can see on my layout, it's kind of blocky, so what I am pulling out now are some other pieces that are going to add something other than a rectangle square shape. I wanted to tell the story of our stroller that has gone 15 years, which is incredible. So I have some arrows, I have a frame up there that just look cool, nothing more. And then the circles, I have the north, east, southwest. I have travel life. I also, you can see the circle on the camera, and I'm going to add some more circles at the bottom. It was such a blocky layout that I wanted to add in some circles to give it a little bit more softness and just a feeling of a little bit more freedom, I guess you would say. You can see that my circles kind of came down in a diagonal. They are not in a visual triangle this time, although if you look at the camera, it does complete a visual triangle with the circles. This is my favorite ink. It is by Ranger. It is called Letter It, and I am using some of the fun stamps that came in the kit. I'm not much of a stamper, but I wanted to really bring about the feeling of traveling and the dirt that would get on our wheels. So there was this fun splotchy stamp that was included in the stamp kit. So I thought I would add that in because I thought it kind of gave that impression of dirtiness. And my layout was looking a little bit too clean and too perfect, too exact, I guess you would say, with all the rectangles, even though I had added the circles in. So from here, the only thing I need to add to my layout, because I have a title, I have my photos, I have some color and visual triangles, I'm now going to work on my journaling and my title. In this case, I had some of these stickers. I don't know who they're from, but they're left over. They were in an older Cocoa Daisy kit, and they just add nice sentiments. So I wanted to bring that black around because now I have a visual triangle with the Good Times stamp, that arrow on the picture, and then that line of the sticker journaling. So I also have a triangle with that. That black sticker thing also gives me a place to house my title so that it doesn't float away. And I'm also going to be adding in my journaling there. And for me, this is a completed layout. I've told the story of our stroller that has gone 15 years, and it was time to lay it to rest. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe to my channel so you can join me more often.